Hi there. My name is Bill Burkhart Jr., and I'm the owner here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. Some of you may have seen my cartoon face plastered on our vehicles, our signs, or maybe even our TV commercials, but I can assure you I am a real person. My goal today is to educate you on the most common questions that we hear before we even send out our commercial roofing specialist to meet with you. This way, when they're out to your building, we can make that as productive and as efficient of an appointment as possible for you. So the most common question we hear from our clients is, how much longer will my roof last? Great question. And until we get boots up on the roof, we can't definitively answer that for you. But rest assured, by following our proven process, when our commercial roofing specialist brings out your inspection report and proposals, we're going to know. And as part of that, you're going to receive your digital written inspection report that'll identify any and all deficiencies, what the current health of your roofing system is, how many layers are up there, and with a budget for roof replacement, along with how much time left you have. We think that's incredibly important because we believe we're in the asset management business, not the roofing business. Nobody wants to replace their roof, and we really approach it as if it was our own building. And how do we maximize this before you ever have to contemplate a full replacement, let alone a recover? Another common request is, well, can't you just give me a quote based on the overhead aerial? I guess we could. It just doesn't make any sense. For so many of those reasons we just talked about with our inspection report and our inspection process, in commercial roofing, there are so many variables that can affect what the end price is that you're going to have to pay to make that investment. It doesn't make any sense because you may call us requesting a roof replacement, and we could use an aerial overhead with some basic square footage numbers. But by going through our inspection process, we may find out you don't need to replace this roof. And in fact, why don't we do a silicone coating that's going to cost you 20 cents on the dollar of what a full roof replacement is going to cost you? That's why we do this, because we don't want to just default to full replacement, full system replacement, because that's actually going to cost you the most amount of money in day one. And our goal is to be respectful of your budget and really try and figure out what's the best solution for this building. Common request we also get is, well, can I just put another layer on it? Sometimes, but I know I sound like a broken record here. It's why the assessment meeting and it's why the inspection process are so important. We have to really understand and know your building, know the current composition of your roofing system to make those determinations. There are codes. You can only, by code, have 2 layers of roofing up there. There's occasions where that's going to limit us. Maybe you only have 1, but it's completely saturated. That's going to eliminate coatings from the possibilities of what we can do. But it's by following that proven process of the assessment meeting, the inspection, that we're going to get the right information. So we're not guessing, we're giving you accurate information. Another common request from most commercial building owners is, if you're in the situation where you have to replace your roof, how long is your new roof going to last? And quite frankly, roofs are replaced too soon. A properly installed commercial roofing system, whether it's TPO or EPDM, should go a minimum of 20 years. We think often they can go far beyond that, but if you're accepting anything less than 20 years, that would be a major, major red flag, certainly to us, and we would hope to you. And when you combine it with maintenance and restoration, very common that we can buy a building owner 30, 40, 50, 60 plus years before they're ever contemplating and forced to make that investment in a full tear off and replacement. And our last really common question that we get is, can't you just repair it without inspecting it? Certainly. We have a T&M commercial repair roofing program. We just dispatch out technicians. They look on the roof. They look inside. Where's the water coming from? What's above it? And they just repair anything in that vicinity that looks like it could be contributing to the leak. Now, the drawback to that is there are no warranties. There are no guarantees, because at that point, it is about speed and just trying to fix anything visible that could be contributing to the leak. We're happy to do that, but we don't love doing that because we can't guarantee that we found that problem. And the most frustrating call we ever get from commercial building owners is when they go, hey, the leak is back. And the most common time we get that is when we're dealing with just T&M repairs, because very often those have 4, 5, 6, 7 different things that are contributing to that leak. By going through the full inspection process, the assessment meeting, we're able to determine with certainty what's causing the issue, what's the solution, and then we'll put our money where our mouth is and we'll actually guarantee it so you don't ever risk paying for something twice. I hope this helps clear some things up, allows for a great experience with my team. I, on behalf of my team and my family here at Kanga Roof, really look forward to the opportunity to serve you. And as always, I really do hope you have a Kangarific day.